Okay, we have got another another lock. It is a KeyMark, and it has one of the gnarliest keyways, down over to the side and then down diagonal. Unfortunately, I don't actually have the key for it, but this was purchased as like part of a big. Essentially, it was like a box to purple that had a wide variety of locks of different difficulties. I bought it very, very early on off eBay, early on in my lockpicking career. So I think the last time I tried this lock, I poked at it when I was like green belt, but nothing serious. Because at the time it actually wasn't even ranked. So I'm just going to explore a little bit. Yeah, I can, like, despite how gnarly this keyway looks, you still have a straight shot all the way through to the pins. So I don't really know why it has to be like that. Like what's just to make it look intimidating. On that note, there's not even like serious security pins or anything in it. I think it's just got like some mushrooms, but I'm gonna stop bad mouthing it until I actually pick it, because it could just be the one that stumps me. Who knows? Y'all will never know, because then I won't post it. So I did loan this lock out to somebody just recently, just got it back. So I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'll give it another go. I guess the keyway effectively thwarts against like raking, maybe? Maybe it's harder to get a rake through there. I'm trying to figure out why all of that machining work. What are they trying to do with it besides make a signature look, Maybe that's it. Maybe it's just a marketing thing. Identifiability. Their logo is quite large on this lock. This lock did end up getting ranked, and I think it is orange belt. So here I am spending some time trying to get an orange belt lock open. I did gut this once before just to see what was inside, but I'll be honest, that was years ago. I remember not being impressed by what it had inside, like nothing remarkable really. So hopefully we'll get it here pretty soon. Maybe it's a torpedo. I think one of those early clicks was an overset driver getting hung above shear. Yeah, that's the torpedo right there. Pin 4, I believe. Just did it again. Can't push on the wording. Does 5 have a torpedo too? Alright, I think I know more about it. Let's reset, try one more time. Okay, cool. Pin 6 was hiding. Okay, well, I'm curious. I'm not sure if if I felt a torpedo on 4 and 5 or just 4. It's kind of what I'm mostly curious about. This is a old dirty lock, so like it doesn't want to turn. But grub screws. Let me get my Allen wrench, wherever it may be. What size? Yeah, so not terrible. I think part of it I was fighting the grind and stuff in there too. So first chamber, nothing special. Pins have obviously been replaced. These are quite shiny considering the rest of the lock's appearance. Yeah, all standards. Yeah, I don't see the keys for these very often whenever they do come up. It'd be neat to get a good look at one of these keys though, just to see how the profile looks in hand. Another standard. It certainly is one of those unique profiles that gets a name for itself just because of that. Let's see. Nope, just standard and 4. There's gotta have been a torpedo in here. I would set one and lose it sometimes. Come on now. What do we got? What secrets do you hold? Okay, yeah. Here's the torpedo. And 5. So I must have just been off on my counts. And we've got all standard drivers, so. Okay, torpedo on 6 too. That's not what I expected. But yeah, I guess I didn't encounter that one. Or didn't notice it if I did. But that's the KeyMark here. Nothing too terrible. Nice to just pop it in the vise and get it open. Here you go. Yeah, I'll get a little close up here, but not really too much to see. Just that problematic torpedo that I did set off a couple times, but there we go. Alrighty.